Hello, this is my presentation on the Czech Republic and 3D printing. My name is Chris Zeman. What is 3D printing? It is the process of creating a physical object from a digital model. It can be used with either plastics or sometimes perhaps metal or composite material. It could be an additive process with layers being built upon each other. Who uses 3D printing? As far as the Czech Republic goes, it seems to be real estate, companies that make 3D printers, and medical/universities. When is 3D printing used? It's being used, especially now this year. There's 3D printers that are being exported from the Czech Republic from the company Presa 3D Printing. And the Czech Republic has made a lot of protective equipment, PPE gear, such as respirators and 10,000 PPE suits, and exported them to mostly Italy earlier this year in spring with COVID-19. And over the summer, the Czech Republic constructed a floating house with a 3D printer. Where is 3D printing? It seems to be Prague that seems to foster all this talent, or at least it seems to be like the hub for this talent, with many businesses and universities using 3D printing in Prague, which is the Czech Republic's capital. Why is 3D printing used? For the house, it was a sustainable product which generates 20% less CO2 emissions than the usual process for making houses, which it reduces waste production, which with the houses in construction and demolition in the Czech Republic, that makes 46% of the Czech Republic's waste. They sell their products and boost their GDP by selling these 3D printers throughout Europe as well as Japan, listed on Brasso's website. Medical, where they export or donate medical gear to other countries, such as they did with Italy. How is 3D printing used? Craft 3D printers to sell abroad. Use filament to construct houses, medical gear. For the 3D printed house, the way that was built was with 25 workers, which, according to the article I read, that's 40% less than what is required for building houses in the Czech Republic, as well as some automation thrown in. For the medical, it was interesting. For a lot of the PPE gear, they were changing snorkeling masks into face masks or safety masks. Okay, let's do 2 truths, 1 lie. The 3D printed house floats due to rocket boosters. Presta sells its 3D printers to Japan. 3D printers use plastics as well as sometimes metals and composite materials. How about you pause this video and figure that one out? Okay, the answer, or the lie, is the 3D printed house floats due to rocket boosters. The reason why it floats is it's anchored to a pontoon on a lake somewhere in Prague. We aren't quite there yet, I think. Well, here are my sources. Thank you for listening to my presentation, and have a great day.